Hello and welcome to this week's Trading the Trend on Wednesday, the 22nd of March. A couple of weeks ago, we went short the Australian dollar versus the New Zealand dollar, and on the daily financial bet, you can see that we were right in regards to the direction of the trend, but we haven't hit our downside target yet, which still remains at 105.50. But what we can do now is to lower our stop loss from 109.50 to 108.93, which is the second to last reaction high. A reaction high is simply a high that is higher than the candle to its left and to its right. So this is not the first one, but we're using the second highest one, which is here on the 6th of March. So this trade is still intact. And last week's trade was to go long the NASDAQ 100 at 12,100 with an upside target at 12,800. And this one I would like to get out of now at 12,720 because we nearly hit our upside target and we've made a nice profit of 620 points within a week. And we did so despite the ongoing worries to do with the collapse of the banking sector last week. So we ignored all the noise and we just looked at the chart. And this is what Trading the Trend is all about. You just focus on technical analysis alone. You avoid all the psychological and all the other news events and everything else that can influence your behavior, and you just focus on the price action. And we went long because we had this potentially bullish hammer formation, and we had some bullish divergence on the relative strength index, all of which told us that when we had some upside here, further upside was likely to be seen. So this trade worked out really, really well indeed. And today's Trading the Trend is to go long the British pound versus the Japanese yen. As we saw earlier today, the inflation rate in the UK remains very high at 10.4% in February, much higher than expected, and this helped the British pound to raise further on the back of probably us seeing another rate hike with regards to the Bank of England. And I would like to go long here on a retracement to 162.50. with a stop loss at 158.55 and an upside target at 169 yen. So today's Trading the Trend is to go long the British pound versus the Japanese yen at 162.50 with a stop loss of 158.55 and an upside target at 169.